modern-day painter.
I want to introduce you to an artist you may have not heard of, William Russell Flint. In these short videos, we would take a quick look at an artist just to pique your curiosity to learn about a new art. Sir William Russell Flint (1880–1969) was a Scottish artist and illustrator who was known especially for his watercolors of women. He also worked in oils, tempera, and printmaking, but today we are looking at his beautiful watercolors. May find some inspiration. Born in Edinburgh, his father was a lithographer who taught the young Flint from an early age. He was educated at Daniel Stewart's College and then Edinburgh Institution. From 1894 to 1900 Flint was apprenticed as a lithographic draftsman while taking classes at the Royal Institute of Art, in Edinburgh. From 1900 to 1902 he worked as a medical illustrator in London while studying part-time at the Heatherley School of Fine Art. Flint was one of the leading illustrators selected by Percy Bradshaw for inclusion in his The Art of the Illustrator, 1917 to 1918, which presented a separate portfolio for each of 20 illustrators, which was accompanied by a plate showing an illustration typical of Flint's work and 5 other plates showing the work at 5 earlier stages of its production. During visits to Spain, Flint was impressed by Spanish dancers, and he depicted them frequently throughout his career. He enjoyed considerable commercial success but little respect from art critics, who were disturbed by a perceived crassness in his eroticized treatment of the female figure, clearly borrowing inspiration from similar works by Lawrence Alma-Tadema. Flint went on to create many artworks for the publication The Illustrated London News, and also provided illustrations for editions of books such as the Canterbury Tales. His work is found in numerous private and public collections, including the Victoria and Albert Museum in London, the Whitworth Art Gallery in Manchester, and the Walker Art Gallery in Liverpool. He painted in several countries including France, Italy, Switzerland, and Scotland. Russell Flint was captivated by the distinctive and unique character of the foreign lands. However, his foremost fascination was the female form. This manifested in a wide range of depictions, spanning from flamenco dancers to Russell Flint's picturesque gypsies and languorous nudes. Flint became the president of the Royal Society of Watercolor Painters in 1936. Throughout the early 1940s, Russell and his wife lived on a turkey farm in Devon. Flint's work has given and continues to give enormous pleasure to many admirers across the globe. The signed prints and original paintings have become very collectible, and his paintings have a great following and are known as some of the finest watercolor paintings in the world today. In his later years, due to his artistic and financial success, Russell Flint was able to travel extensively across Europe, particularly in France where he was a prolific painter, also enjoying some time painting in Switzerland, Spain, Italy, and Scotland. If you wish to visit the beautiful countryside and villages in the southwest of France where Flint spent much of his time painting, a beautiful holiday house in Dordogne. Flint was active as an artist and a writer until his death in London on December 30, 1969. Hope you enjoyed this short documentary. There is always more to Flint and I hope this sparks your curiosity. For more art video and related art subjects, subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget the Distressed Artist Tees, the link is in the description below. Please leave a positive comment. Have a great day and thanks for watching.